Welcome back to the garage. As you can see, we made some good progress. The Honda engine, V65 engine, back in the frame. The frame has been touched up, refurbished. Got some of the electric components back on. And one little mishap I had right here, you can see, is the engine. As I was getting it in here, trying to push it back, I had to release the straps that were holding it on the jack, and it was pretty far down, and it just started to slip off and rolled over on this side. But thankfully it was a small little dump, and I think it crushed the oil filter, but no big damage done. I'm very happy with how everything came back together. One other note is, as I was putting everything back, I realized this ground cable right here needed to be put on, and I forgot that the water pump is in the way. So I had to pull the water pump off and take the bolt out right there in order to, and the bolt's pretty long, so it slides out in order to get the ground cable back on. So not too bad of a reset. So now I need to work on some fuel items. This is the old fuel line right here that I split, and just so I know which side this was on when I get it back. I'm going to put some fresh hose, but I also ordered some red cover just to put it back the way it was. So red sheathing that'll slide over the fuel line. So making some good progress. I can't wait to actually get this thing running. So we're going to finish up putting the electrical on, putting the fuel back on, everything in its proper place. Then we're going to start working on the back, putting all the swing arm and the new shock and the drive shaft, which has been sitting right here for quite a while. I hadn't put it back together yet, but we're keeping everything covered so it don't get too rusty. All the linkage for the shock, the new shock here. So restoration is on its way. I think it looks very nice. Got a new temperature sensor, and put all this back together. I need to put the carbs back in here. You can see the foot pegs. I don't, if you look back at some of the other videos, you're going to see how rusty all that was on both sides. Looks 100% better. Put new boots right here on the linkage for the gear shift. Ordered a new I found this, which is common. These, if you drop the bike or whatever, these will get punctured. So I ordered a new one of these, gear shift rubber. I do kind of wish I'd taken some good video of the installation, but I'm working on getting a way to record longer form videos instead of taking up all my iPhone space. So when I do that, I'll try to get some longer videos of me actually doing something other than going over it afterwards. Thanks for watching this short update, and we'll see you next time back in the garage.